Mr. Speaker, while we have made progress as a nation, we remain alive to structural constraints that impede the pace of economic development. Aware that sustainable economic transformation is predicated on timely implementation of appropriate policy, rigor and institutional reforms, I propose the following interventions that will improve the business environment, increase efficiency in public service delivery, and strengthen the accountability and transparency of public finance management. First, let me focus on public procurement reforms. Mr. Speaker, in my last budget speech, I informed this House of the government's plan to fully automate public procurement and disposal processes by implementing an end-to-end e-government procurement system. Mr. Speaker, Phase 1 of e-government procurement system has successfully undergone user acceptance testing and piloting in 12 selected MDAs and counties. This piloting will continue up to December 2024. The system comprises, among others, an e-marketplace, electronic marketplace, for the common use items where prices for various outlets are feasible, allowing intense competition in procurement of these common use items. Once the e-government procurement system is rolled out, all MDAs and executive offices of county governments will be required to fully transition to the system, while state agencies and corporations, county assemblies, and even county agencies will be onboarded in the second phase within the 2024-2025 fiscal year. The system will reduce cost of goods, works, and even services between 10 and 15%, maximize value for money, and increase the transparency of procurement. Second, let me turn to restraining growth of public